Okay, so from that new segment, I got my first subscriber question. Now, this question asked me, have you ever been shredded and strong at the same time? What are you talking about? I'm fucking shredded just now. Look at me. No, I'm just kidding on. Right. Now, depends what your class is shredding. It depends what your class is strong. I'm going to say no, because I'm not going to say I've really been much of either. Now, about maybe 16, 17 months ago, I decided, right, I think I'm wanting to get lean. We're coming up for summer. Let's get cut. So I started my cut, and within like 6 to 8 weeks, I dropped something like 25 to 30 pounds. I lost a shitload of weight. Now, bearing in mind, I got down to like 8 or 9% body fat, but because I'd done it so quickly, I lost quite a bit of muscle as well, and strength. Now, I was okay with it. Now, I was feeling quite good, because I was getting lean, and I was getting abs, and I was going to look good for the summer, or this was my kind of thought process. Now, I'll tell you a funny story. Actually, I went into... I was going a night out. I went to the pub with my mates, and I saw one of my mates who I'd not seen in like since before I started the cut. They came up to me and said, "Oh man, why have you stopped lifting weights? What happened?" Now, bearing in mind, I just spent the last 8 weeks kicking my ass, not going a gram over any of my macronutrients, and feeling quite good, and that just totally fucked my mind. Totally fucked my mind. And after that, I thought, right, fuck this, man. I've got lean. I'm about 8% body fat. Let's get some size again. So my answer to your question would be, in my opinion, 8% is not even close to shredded. I mean, I would say shredded is like 4% body fat, 5% body fat. So I wouldn't actually say I've ever really been shredded. I did look good, and I wouldn't say I was particularly strong. I don't even think I was deadlifting 4 plates by that point. Maybe I was, maybe I wasn't. So no, I've not ever really been shredded and strong at the same time. In my opinion, at this kind of point in where I am in my journey, I'm not really that interested in being shredded. I mean, just now I'm trying to drop a little bit of weight, drop a little bit of body fat, mainly for a competition on the 18th of May, but I'm a lot more interested in being strong and trying to add size than being shredded. Maybe one day I'll want to be shredded. However, I suppose we'll take it as it comes. Now, the guy that actually asked that was Herbie Sherman. I hope I've not butchered your name, bro. He actually got a YouTube channel as well, so I'll link his YouTube channel in the description. Be sure to check him out. I'm pretty sure if you know who I am, you'll know who he is. He's a really cool dude. He actually just stays down in London, so he's not too far away from me, so maybe I'll see him one day. So stay tuned for more subscriber questions, guys.